Lesson 89. Review of the lessons 77 and 78.
Hi there. As we approach the end of our second review period in the workbook for students from A Course in Miracles, today brings us another pair of ideas to revisit and absorb. As you know, we'll allocate the first part of the day to delve into the first idea, and reserve the latter part of the day for the second. Let's not skip our 15-minute meditation for each idea, and the frequent shorter reminders throughout your day. Ready to dive in?
77. I am entitled to miracles.
I am entitled to miracles because I am under no laws but God's. His laws release me from all grievances, and replace them with miracles. And I would accept the miracles in place of the grievances, which are but illusions that hide the miracles beyond. Now I would accept only what the laws of God entitle me to have, that I may use it on behalf of the function He has given me.
Yesterday, we reviewed Lesson 76, I am under no laws but God's. Today, as we delve into Lesson 77, I am entitled to miracles, we establish a direct link between the two. We are entitled to miracles because we are under no laws but God's. God's laws liberate us from all grievances, paving the way for miracles to take their place. Recalling the power we have in the decisions we make each holy instant, we can gladly choose to have miracles instead of grievances, because we understand that grievances are just illusions that hide miracles that lie behind them. Let's embrace only what God's laws allow us to have, and let's use it to fulfill our function. This function is the one God gave us, and that's our happiness and our will as well. Let's remember that we can apply more specific forms of the idea when the situations seem to require it. For example,
behind this is a miracle to which I am entitled.
Let me not hold a grievance against you, my friend, but offer you the miracle that belongs to you instead.
Seen truly, this offers me a miracle.
And for our first 15-minute meditation, let's close our eyes and slowly repeat to ourselves.
I am entitled to miracles.
I am entitled to miracles.
I am entitled to miracles.
Then, let's keep our eyes closed. And simply listen. Listen quietly. Mindfully. There is a message for us. Let's receive it now.
Let miracles replace all grievances.
By this idea do I unite my will with the Holy Spirit's, and perceive them as one. By this idea do I accept my release from hell. By this idea do I express my willingness to have all my illusions be replaced with truth, according to God's plan for my salvation. I would make no exceptions and no substitutes. I want all of heaven and only heaven, as God wills me to have.
When we accept this idea, we align our will with that of the Holy Spirit and perceive them as one. By accepting this idea, we accept also our release from hell, and we express our willingness to relinquish all illusions and have them replaced with the truth, according to God's plan for our salvation. Let's not allow any exceptions or substitutes. We cannot settle for anything less than the full realization of heaven, as God intends for us to have. Here are some simple ways to use this idea for more specific applications.
I would not hold this grievance apart from my salvation.
Let our grievances be replaced by miracles, my friend.
Beyond this is the miracle by which all my grievances are replaced.
And for the second meditation of the day, just close your eyes and slowly repeat the idea to yourself.
Let miracles replace all grievances.
Let miracles replace all grievances.
Let miracles replace all grievances.
Then keep your eyes closed. And simply be still. Be present. Be mindful. Just listen. There's a message for you. You will receive it. And with that, we wrap up Lesson 89, our review session for today. Throughout your day, carry these teachings with you, engaging in both the in-depth meditation sessions and the frequent, brief reminders. These practices are dedicated to the way, the truth, and the life. They are very holy. Approach them with heartfelt commitment. You're doing great. See you tomorrow for another review lesson. Quick reminder, if you haven't yet watched the introduction to this video series, be sure to do so, as it lays the foundation for our journey together. Just click on the video link that will appear on your screen shortly.
Did you enjoy the video and find it helpful? Please give it a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have a new lesson every day. And if you've been with us for a while, please consider supporting the channel. There's a lot of love behind these videos. Check out the video description for more details.